What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to discover the tech that's about to upgrade your daily routine? In this video, we are counting down incredible Amazon gadgets that you need to see. We're talking about everything from genius kitchen helpers and powerful cleaning tools to cutting-edge gadgets for creators and outdoor adventurers. So, if you're looking for that perfect find to solve a problem or just your next cool tech obsession, you are in the right place. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and remember, all the product links are waiting for you down in the description box. Let's get started. And kicking off our list is the Roborock Q7M5 plus robot vacuum and mop. This isn't just any robot vacuum, it's a cleaning powerhouse designed for total home maintenance. It boasts an incredible 10,000 Pascal of suction power, easily lifting pet hair and debris from any surface. The best part? Its self-emptying Rock Dock Plus lets you go hands-free for up to 7 weeks. Just set it and forget it. With precise LiDAR navigation and a dual anti-tangle system, it's the smart, set it and forget it solution for keeping your floors spotless without the daily hassle. Next up, for anyone who deals with tension from long hours at a desk or just needs to melt away stress, we have the Ibreo Cordless Shiatsu neck and back massager. This isn't a simple vibration pad. It uses advanced 3D kneading nodes designed to mimic the feeling of real hands, giving you a deep tissue massage right at home. It features 3 professional-grade modes: kneading, master, and even a scraping mode. It's completely cordless and wearable, so you can strap it to your office chair and relax while you work, or use it on your neck, shoulders, or legs. With a smart memory function that remembers your favorite settings and soothing heat. It's like having a personal masseuse on demand. Moving on to a gadget that solves a daily nuisance in the most elegant way, check out the simplehuman standing paper towel holder with spray pump. This isn't just a holder, it's your all-in-one cleanup station. It features a built-in pump that dispenses a continuous fine mist, so you can spray and wipe spills without fumbling for a separate bottle. Its smart tension arm is perfectly balanced to let you tear off one sheet at a time, preventing waste and mess. Crafted in brushed stainless steel, it keeps everything you need for a quick cleanup right at your fingertips, making your kitchen counter both more functional and stylish. Stick around, we've got more brilliant tech gadgets coming your way. And for the home chefs and busy families, the Chef IQ Mini Oven is a true kitchen powerhouse. This isn't just a toaster oven, it's an 11-in-1 smart appliance that can air fry, bake, broil, dehydrate, and even slow cook. It's equipped with a powerful motor that cooks up to 30% faster than conventional air fryers. With a generous 25-quart capacity, it can handle large meals, and the smart touchscreen controls paired with a dedicated app let you program and monitor your cooking from anywhere in your home. This compact oven is designed to replace a suite of countertop gadgets, saving space while delivering professional-level results. Next, for a fun and revolutionary twist on breakfast, we have the Presto Stuffler Stuffed Waffle Maker. This clever appliance lets you bake your favorite fillings, like fruits, chocolate, cheese, or even meats, right inside a thick Belgian-style waffle. Its unique rotating design ensures the batter and fillings are spread evenly for a perfect cook every time, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. It comes with built-in tongs for easy serving and locks vertically for simple storage. Whether you're making a sweet treat or a savory meal, the Stuffler turns breakfast or snack time into a creative and delicious experience the whole family will love. Shifting focus to personal care, the Aquasonic Black Series is an ADA-accepted electric toothbrush that brings professional-grade oral hygiene to your home. It features an ultra-powerful motor that delivers 40,000 vibrations per minute for a superior clean. This sleek toothbrush includes 4 distinct modes, including options for whitening and gum care, along with a smart timer to ensure you're brushing effectively. It comes with 8 brush heads, providing over 2 years of maintenance, and features modern conveniences like wireless charging and a waterproof design. It's a complete oral care system designed to promote a healthier smile with advanced, user-friendly technology. And finally, for ultimate convenience anywhere, the Mighty Sink Portable Wash Station brings a fully functional sink to any location. This patented portable unit features an electronic faucet that delivers consistent water flow at the perfect pressure with just the press of a button. With a spacious washing area and built-in storage, it's ideal for camping, pottery, gardening, or even as a bedside station. Its smart 10-second auto-stop feature helps conserve water, and the entire system is designed with eco-conscious materials. This innovative sink provides the comfort and utility of home plumbing, completely off-grid. For home cooks looking to save time without sacrificing flavor, the PowerXL StirMax digital multi-cooker is a true kitchen assistant. This 9-in-1 programmable cooker features a unique 360-degree automatic paddle that continuously stirs and even shreds your food as it cooks, promising results up to 60% faster than a conventional oven. With a generous 7.5 quart capacity, it can handle large family meals, and its 9 pre-programmed settings make it simple to braise, stew, slow cook, or saute. The entire ceramic-coated pot, lid, and paddle are dishwasher safe, turning a potentially messy cooking session into an effortless, hands-free experience. Next, let's talk about a tool that makes deep cleaning virtually effortless. The TUVU electric spin scrubber is a cordless, waterproof cleaning brush designed to tackle tough grime in bathrooms and kitchens without the elbow grease. It features a powerful motor that spins the brush head at up to 450 RPM, scrubbing away soap scum and hard water stains with ease. With an adjustable extension handle, you can clean showers and tubs without bending over, and its IPX7 waterproof rating means it's built to handle wet environments. This scrubber turns a dreaded chore into a quick and simple task, saving you both time and effort. Next, for a breath of fresh air in any room, the Levoit Core Mini P Air Purifier is a compact powerhouse. This 3-in-1 filter cleaner is designed for spaces up to 255 square feet, effectively capturing smoke, allergies, pet dander, and dust. It features a fragrance sponge to add a subtle, pleasant scent to your purified air, promoting a more relaxing environment for better sleep. Its small, desktop-friendly design makes it perfect for bedrooms, offices, or dorms. This purifier works quietly in the background to ensure the air you breathe is clean and fresh. And for those living in smaller spaces like dorms, RVs, or apartments, the COMFEE'Countertop Dishwasher is a game changer. This compact portable dishwasher holds up to 6 place settings, making it the perfect size for 2 to 3 people. It features 8 washing programs, including a speed wash, ECO mode, and a specialized baby care cycle. As an Energy Star certified appliance, it cleans efficiently while saving on utility costs. This dishwasher delivers the full convenience of a built-in unit without requiring any permanent installation. And for keeping your wardrobe crisp and professional, the Rowenta Pure Force 2-in-1 steamer and iron delivers versatile fabric care. This powerful 1,875 watt appliance functions as both a vertical garment steamer and a horizontal iron, giving you the flexibility to refresh hanging clothes or press items on a board. It features 5 customizable steam settings to handle different fabrics and an extra-large sole plate for efficient ironing. The unit is designed to be lightweight and includes an automatic safety shutoff, making it both a powerful and convenient solution for all your clothing care needs. Next, for anyone who hosts gatherings, the FEPPO food warming mat is an essential party tool. This XXL electric warming tray measures 35 by 16 inches, providing a large, uniform heating surface to keep multiple dishes at the perfect serving temperature. It features 19 adjustable temperature levels and a 6-hour timer, giving you complete control for any event, from a family dinner to a large buffet. The silicone mat is easy to clean and can be rolled up for simple storage. This warmer ensures your food stays hot and delicious from the first guest to the last, making entertaining effortless. And for the ultimate in outdoor convenience, the DR.PREPARE portable shower brings a hot shower anywhere you go. This 5-gallon camping shower bag features a built-in electric pump that inflates in about a minute, providing steady water pressure for up to 60 minutes on a single charge. With both continuous and manual water flow settings, it's perfect for rinsing off after a swim, washing pets, or cleaning gear at the beach. Its generous capacity and easy Type-C recharging make it an indispensable tool for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure where you need running water. For those who need a portable typing solution, the SIKAI Case Foldable Bluetooth keyboard is a marvel of compact design. Crafted from aluminum alloy, this mini keyboard folds in half for ultimate portability, easily fitting into a jacket pocket or bag. It features a built-in magnetic stand that securely holds tablets and phones up to 11 inches, creating an instant mobile workstation. With 45 hours of battery life from a single charge and seamless compatibility across iOS, Android, and Windows devices, it provides a full, quiet typing experience wherever your travels take you. For aerial photography enthusiasts and beginners alike, the Velcase foldable drone with camera makes capturing stunning perspectives incredibly accessible. This compact drone features a 1080p HD camera that streams live video directly to your smartphone, allowing for real-time first-person view flying. It includes beginner-friendly functions like one-key takeoff and landing, optical flow positioning for stable hovering, and even 360-degree flips for impressive aerial tricks. With 2 included batteries providing up to 26 minutes of total flight time and a convenient foldable design with a carrying case, it's the perfect all-in-one package for capturing your adventures from the sky. Transforming any space into a home theater is effortless with the NextGo Nova Mini Portable 3 laser projector. This compact device delivers a brilliant 1080p Full HD picture with 1200 lumens of brightness, creating a vibrant display up to 150 inches. It comes with Google TV built in, giving you instant access to Netflix, YouTube, and all your favorite streaming services. Featuring an intelligent auto setup that perfectly aligns the image and a built-in 8-watt Dolby audio speaker, it's a complete entertainment system. Weighing only 3 pounds and powered by USB-C, this projector is perfectly designed for both indoor movie nights and outdoor adventures. For creators and small businesses, the LaserPecker LPS 20-watt dual laser engraver is a professional-grade tool that fits on a desktop. This powerful machine combines both fiber and diode lasers, allowing it to engrave and cut a wide range of materials from wood and leather to metals like gold and steel. It achieves incredible precision with a detail resolution of 0.0027 millimeters, making it capable of intricate designs, 3D grayscale images, and even color engraving. Weighing just over 6 kilograms, its portable design is perfect for mobile workshops or instant customization in retail settings, turning raw materials into high-value, personalized items in minutes. Unlocking the hidden world around you is now possible with the APEXEL 3-in-1 phone microscope lens. This innovative attachment transforms your smartphone into a powerful microscope, offering 100x, 150x, and 200x magnification levels all in one compact device. It features built-in LED lights with multiple modes, including UV to illuminate your subjects and a CPL filter to reduce glare for crystal clear images. With a rechargeable battery providing over 5 hours of use and a universal clip that fits most phones, it's the perfect tool for explorers, students, and hobbyists to examine everything from insects and plants to minerals and circuitry in stunning detail. For content creators who demand professional audio, the DJI Mic Mini Wireless Lavalier system is the ultimate solution. This incredibly compact system features 2 ultralight transmitters and a receiver that all store and charge in a single portable case. The transmitters weigh only 10 grams each, making them nearly invisible on camera. Yet they deliver rich, clear audio with a 400-meter transmission range. With powerful noise cancellation, an impressive 48 hours of total battery life from the charging case, and direct compatibility with smartphones, cameras, and DJI gear, it's the perfect tool for vlogging, interviews, and streaming in any environment. Finally, to eliminate cable clutter forever, the Smartish magnetic cord holder offers an elegantly simple solution. This compact organizer uses a powerful magnetic system to securely grip and store your charging cables on any metal surface, from your nightstand to your desk. Simply attach the base and your cables are kept neatly within reach, preventing them from falling or tangling. Its minimalist design blends seamlessly with any decor, providing a practical and stylish way to keep your charging stations organized and frustration-free. Next, for a truly modern and hygienic kitchen, the Innovia automatic paper towel dispenser brings touchless convenience to your countertop. This smart dispenser uses sensor technology to deliver the exact number of sheets you need with just a wave of your hand. It automatically retracts any unused paper to keep the roll clean and dry, and it's designed to work with most standard paper towel brands. Easy to mount under your cabinets, it provides a seamless, sanitary way to handle spills. And that wraps up our showcase of amazing tech gadgets. From revolutionizing your home cleaning with the Roborock vacuum to capturing cinematic audio with the DJI mic, and from creating a portable theater with the NextGo projector to exploring the microscopic world with the APEXEL lens, we've covered a huge range of innovative products designed to upgrade your life. We hope you found some fantastic new gadgets to explore. Remember, for your convenience, direct links to every single product we featured today are waiting for you down in the video description. If you enjoyed this roundup, please show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel for more content just like this. Let us know in the comments which gadget was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.